There's something primal and satisfying about grilling. The flickering flames, the tantalizing aroma of smoke, and the anticipation of delicious food cooked over an open fire. It's an experience that connects us to our culinary roots. And when it comes to grilling, few things are as universally loved as smoky grilled chicken. Its versatility, combined with the ability to absorb the rich flavors of smoke, makes it a true barbecue staple. The beauty of grilled chicken lies in its simplicity. A few quality ingredients, a bit of preparation, and the right grilling technique can transform ordinary chicken into a culinary masterpiece. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or a novice just starting out, the quest for perfectly smoky grilled chicken is an adventure worth embarking on. The reward is a dish that's both comforting and exciting, perfect for a casual weeknight dinner or a festive weekend gathering. Imagine sinking your teeth into juicy, tender chicken, infused with the smoky essence of hickory or mesquite. The crispy skin crackles with each bite, giving way to succulent meat that's bursting with flavor. It's a sensory experience that elevates simple chicken to a whole new level. So, fire up your grill, gather your ingredients, and let's embark on a journey to create the perfect smoky grilled chicken. Before we begin, let's assemble the ingredients for our smoky masterpiece. Each ingredient plays a vital role in creating the perfect balance of flavors. We'll need about 4 pounds of bone-in, skin-on chicken pieces. The bone-in chicken retains moisture and adds depth of flavor. Next, we'll need our marinade ingredients. Olive oil acts as a base and keeps the chicken moist, apple cider vinegar for tanginess, Dijon mustard for a subtle kick, and a generous amount of barbecue rub. For the smoky element, we'll use wood chips. Hickory, mesquite, and applewood are popular choices. Finally, don't forget fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme for garnishing. With our ingredients assembled, we're ready to craft the perfect marinade. The marinade is where the magic begins. It's the key to infusing the chicken with flavor and ensuring it stays juicy and tender throughout the grilling process. In a large bowl, whisk together the olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and Dijon mustard. The olive oil provides a rich base, while the vinegar adds a touch of acidity that helps to tenderize the chicken. The Dijon mustard contributes a subtle tang and helps the marinade adhere to the chicken. Next, add your chosen barbecue rub to the wet ingredients. Don't be shy with the rub. It's what gives the chicken its signature smoky flavor. Mix well to ensure the rub is evenly distributed throughout the marinade. The blend of spices in the rub will create a complex and flavorful crust on the chicken as it grills. Once the marinade is thoroughly combined, it's time to introduce the chicken. Place the chicken pieces in the bowl and toss them gently to coat them evenly with the marinade. Make sure every piece is generously coated, ensuring that the flavors penetrate deep into the meat. The marinade will work its magic, tenderizing the chicken and infusing it with a symphony of flavors. Now that our chicken is bathed in the flavorful marinade, it's time to let it rest and absorb all the goodness. This marinating process is crucial for both flavor and texture. The longer the chicken marinates, the more tender and flavorful it will become. Ideally, marinate the chicken for at least 4 hours, or even overnight, in the refrigerator. Cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap to prevent the chicken from drying out and to contain the aromas. As the chicken marinates, the acids in the vinegar and the spices in the rub work together to break down the proteins, resulting in more tender meat. The flavors also have ample time to meld and penetrate deep into the chicken, creating a rich and complex flavor profile. If you're short on time, even a 30-minute marinade will make a difference. However, for the best results, aim for a longer marinating time. The patience will be rewarded with chicken that's incredibly juicy, tender, and bursting with flavor. While the chicken is marinating, you can start preparing your grill. This ensures a smooth and efficient grilling process when the chicken is ready. The anticipation builds as the chicken marinates, promising a delicious and satisfying meal. Section 5. Setting the stage. Preparing your grill. Grilling is an art, and like any art form, it requires the right tools and preparation. For smoky grilled chicken, we'll be using the indirect grilling method. Set up the grill with 2 zones, a hot zone for searing and a cooler zone for indirect cooking. This ensures the chicken cooks evenly and absorbs smoky flavors without burning. Preheat your grill to medium heat, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the coals on one side for a charcoal grill, creating the hot zone. For a gas grill, turn on 1 or 2 burners on one side. Soak wood chips in water for at least 30 minutes. Place soaked wood chips in a smoker box or wrap in foil with holes. Place the smoker box or foil packet on the hot coals or over the lit gas burners. Close the grill lid and let the smoke infuse for about 15 minutes before adding the chicken. Section 6. The Dance of Fire and Chicken. Grilling. Now comes the moment of truth. Grilling the chicken. Remove the chicken from the marinade and discard the marinade. Place the chicken pieces skin side up on the cooler side of the grill, away from the direct heat. This allows the chicken to cook slowly and evenly, absorbing the smoky flavors without charring the skin prematurely. Close the grill lid and let the chicken cook undisturbed for about 45 to 60 minutes, depending on the size of the pieces. Maintain a consistent temperature of around 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Resist the urge to open the lid too frequently, as this will release heat and lengthen the cooking time. Check the internal temperature of the chicken with a meat thermometer. The chicken is done when it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius in the thickest part of the thigh. This ensures that the chicken is cooked through and safe to eat while remaining juicy and tender. Once the chicken reaches the desired internal temperature, it's time for the final searing process. Section 7. The Searing Symphony. Achieving crispy skin. While perfectly cooked chicken is essential, crispy skin elevates the dish to another level. To achieve that desirable crispy skin, we'll sear the chicken over direct heat for a few minutes on each side. Carefully transfer the chicken pieces to the hot side of the grill. Sear the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until the skin is golden brown and crispy. The high heat caramelizes the skin, creating a delicious crust and adding another layer of flavor. Keep a close eye on the chicken during this process to prevent it from burning. Once the skin is beautifully seared, remove the chicken from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, resulting in a more tender and flavorful chicken. Section 8. Serving up smoky perfection, sides and suggestions. Smoky grilled chicken is a versatile dish that pairs well with a variety of sides. Classic accompaniments include coleslaw, potato salad, corn on the cob, and baked beans. For a lighter option, serve with a fresh green salad or grilled vegetables. Enhance the smoky flavor of the chicken with a drizzle of your favorite barbecue sauce or a sprinkle of fresh herbs. A squeeze of lemon juice adds a touch of brightness and complements the smoky notes beautifully. Get creative with your sides and garnishes to create a meal that's both satisfying and visually appealing. Section 9. Troubleshooting and tips. Even with the best intentions, sometimes things don't go exactly as planned. If your chicken is cooking too quickly, move it to the cooler side of the grill or lower the heat. If the skin is charring too much, cover the chicken with aluminum foil to protect it. For a more intense smoky flavor, add more wood chips to the smoker box or foil packet. Experiment with different types of wood to discover your favorite smoky profiles. Don't be afraid to adjust the marinade ingredients to suit your taste preferences. Grilling is all about experimentation and finding what works best for you. Section 10. A final word on grilling mastery. Grilling isn't just about cooking food. It's about creating an experience. It's about gathering with friends and family, sharing stories and laughter while enjoying the delicious aroma of food cooking over an open fire. With a little practice and a willingness to experiment, you can master the art of grilling and create smoky grilled chicken that will impress your guests and tantalize your taste buds. So fire up your grill, embrace the challenge, and enjoy the journey to grilling mastery.